the college, you are according to your interest, you go to BTech and engineering and higher education. At that time, if you go, some of you is so intelligent, and you might want to go to the general competitions like UPSC, the BPSC, the general competitions, railway and banking, all that, and you find that the GK is one of the basic fundamental questions that should be asking there. And just GK in the competition, just not to test your knowledge. GK, how much you know about your country, because know about your country is the fundamental responsibility of each and every Indian. You live in India, it means that you must have knowledge about India, what is happening around your country, what the Prime Minister is doing. And as you grow up, the world is also yours. As Gandhi said, not only India, we live in the world is yours. And as you grow up, fundamentally you know about your Indian culture, Indian things. After growing up, we move to the world. We move to the world. Because ultimately we live in the world. India is living in the world. So then after knowing the Indian facts, Indian knowledge, and then we'll grow up from the global structures, global. How many countries around the world? If you know the Prime Minister, if you know the name of the Prime Minister of our country in India, and if you know all these fundamental things, then I will ask you the question, who is the President of America? Then I will question, who is the President of China? It means that first India, because India is our country, then India should be a priority, and then we'll go forward. Understanding that? So these are the very basic fundamental questions. Don't take GK lightly, don't take English speaking lightly, and don't take computer skill lightly. Because when you go 1 to second to third to fourth class, every subject will change. The mathematics will change. Some of the new chapters will add in the coming time. If you go to any subject, every subject will get changed. But as far as English speaking concerned, as far as GK concerned, and as far as computer concerned, this remains ever. अगर don't go, अगर आप आज बोल रहे हैं कि don't go मत जाओ, जब 10वां में होंगे तभी don't go का हिंदी वही होगा, वो change नहीं होगा. It means that English speaking is going to go throughout your higher studies. When you go to the job, once you learn it, and it will go with you ever. कंप्यूटर सीखेंगे, कॉपी होता है, पेस्ट होता है, नोटबुक में कैसे काम करते हैं, एक्सेल के अंदर कैसे काम करते हैं. I'm talking about the standards. आपके लिए बात नहीं कर रहे. I'm talking about the fundamental knowledge about the computers, because now this is 21st century, and without having computer knowledge, nobody can grow. Computer knowledge and English speaking has been the integral part of the modern life. I'm talking about the modern life. India is now getting new India. We have India, and now India is rising to the new India, and new India will be made by the new Indian, and I'm very happy to see you are the new Indian. You are the new Indian. After 10 years, after 15 years, you people will ride India. You are the driver of India. You will ride the India. So you are the futures. Whenever Narendra Modi said this, I am so happy because I am 31 years old. I have never seen the Prime Minister like Narendra Modi. A lot of great leaders in our country like Mahatma Gandhi, like Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more. We are watching the history because I never seen the live speeches of Gandhi and of Jawaharlal Nehru. Yeah, they are the great leaders. But as far as now I am living, I think I have seen, 31-year-old I am, and I have never seen the Prime Minister like Narendra Modi, the man who live for the country. The man who live for the country, the man who breathe for the country, and the man who always think each and every moment of Narendra Modi, they are sacrificing for the country. So once again, it is very duty to clap for our dynamic Prime Minister. Everybody clap for the Prime Ministers. Clap means, what is the meaning of clapping? You don't know the clap? So it is very important. Stop it. It is very important. You are the Prime Ministers, and we are very fortunate. I'm both Bhagsali, and we have the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who want India like America. Narendra Modi want India to sign India. That's why a slogan that is given by Narendra Modi that India is now becoming new India. And you know, new India will not be made by your father, who is already 50-year-old. New India will not be made by your grandfather, who is at least they are waiting for the die. They are waiting for the death. The new India will only be made by the new India. And you are the new India. It means that you people will make the new India. And I know guy is going to be the brightest. No, because it is also true. We don't have a big building, but we are going the right way, right through, right station. So you don't need to be, don't need to think about your future. Only you have to do the thing that is being asking to you. Only do that. And I know after 5 years, if you spend your 5 years in this school, I will completely transform your future. I will totally transform your personality. Because if you talk about the personality, the three major ingredients was right there. If you talk about the personality, there are two kind of things when you can make your personality. If you talk about the personality, it means that the mental existence, the mental muscles, and the body physical muscles. Both of these two things are equally important. If you are very intelligent, you don't have a good exposure. If you go somewhere, you are very lightweighted. You can't affect that much of the people. Somehow you are so healthy, you are so handsome, you are so hung personality, well body, but you don't have a mental muscles. That you also not go. But only the men who can throughout the world, who have the mental muscle as well as physical muscles. That's why every Saturday, after 2 and 3 Saturday, we are going to have some sporting programs. We are going to have some exposure with sports. Sport भी जानते हो sport? What do you mean sporting? Sports means some dynamic games, some indoor games, some outdoor games that will make physically strong. That will also need the motor skills. The playing also important. The singing is also important. The dancing is also important. So slowly and gradually, we have a financial problem, and we are going through the right way. We are trying to have big financial loan, and then we can do each and everything. Some of you might have a dancing talent. Some of you might be a singing talent. Some of you who have an intelligent mind. Some of you who have a brilliant remembering power. And I will find out the talent, and I will support you. I will help you in that way. If some of you who are comfortable in dancing, you can make your career right there. If some of you who are a good singer, you can be a singer in coming times. If there is no meaning, everybody will be the engineer and doctor and MBA and all that and teachers. There are many things that you can be. Try to find out your talent. If you know riding, you have a good bike rider, you can be a good bike rider then. Understand that? So all these are things. The personality can be involved. But the basic education is really important. It doesn't mean that if you want to be a singer, so I want to be a singer, but I don't want to know about the name of the prime minister of the country. No, that's the basic things that you have to do. The basic things is really important. Understand that? And now the question is, जब मैं अंग्रेजी में बोल रहा हूँ, you people are not getting. I know that. I know it very much. Whenever I give my speech in English, you are not comfortable because you are not understanding. तुमको नहीं समझ रहे हो. जब मैं अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ, पूरी बात आप नहीं समझ